Views towards Southgate. Sibuyale Southgate vele bese sihayikhile ngenti ngenyawo nayi Southgate le.
Makhuluma ngeSouthgate I must adjust my mind.
Ijalo.
No magnet. Mele sibambe futhi le.
Yeah. It's wonderful.
So this is why I was excited.
Let it come with money. No, we're not saying sisave imali kodwa imali siyayidinga. Awu hey.
Yeah, we need it.
Sacela imali Jesu.
Let it come.
Abona uNkulunkulu si appreciate nature yakho oyicreateile. Yabona? Asikusoli. Asizwani neconcrete.
Unimali ngeke sisihlahla thina.
Sizozitshala.
Abayithathayo bahambe kweso sihlahla.